Hey everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. Anyways, today I am going to be making bacon wrapped meatloaf. So hold on, I'll show you all the ingredients and then we'll put them all together. Alright, here we go. Before I get started, I want to let everybody know I'm not using the GoPro yet. I still have to figure out how to use it. It's driving me nuts. Okay, with no manual, never had one before. I've got to get the manual downloaded, and right now I just haven't had the time to really go through it and see how it works. So eventually I will get it out there. So in the meantime, we're stuck back with the original setup here. Okay, so let's get this party started again. All right, bye. Okay, we're going to start off with 4 pounds of ground beef, or I should say ground chuck. That onion is going to be diced, minced garlic, 4 eggs, thyme, salt, pepper, honey Dijon, of course got my Pam, that's a Worcestershire, a little bit of red pepper, breadcrumbs, parsley flakes, and bacon. Whoops. As usual, I missed one item. Blooper. Be right back. And buttermilk. Alright, let's get this party started. Alright, here we go. Okay, can we say big blooper? Alright, let me tell you what I put in here. For some reason, it didn't record. Oh, here we go. Alright, I put in about 3/4 of that onion, all diced up. So then I put in about 2 big tablespoons, and this is the tablespoon, of the garlic. I put in about 2 teaspoons of thyme, 4 eggs, teaspoon of of salt, teaspoon of pepper, about 2 tablespoons of the Dijon mustard, honey Dijon, 4 tablespoons of the Worcestershire, teaspoon of the red pepper, about 2 tablespoons of parsley, 2 cups of the breadcrumbs, and a cup of the buttermilk. So, let me get my gloves on, and we'll start mixing. So this is going to be fun. It's Play-Doh time. Anybody know what these else could be used for? I ain't saying it. This is a cooking show, not a medical show. Alright, mix it all in together. This is the fun part. Oh yeah, nice and gooey. By the time you get it all done mixing, you'll notice that it pulls everything off the side. Everything gets mixed into it. This will feed everybody, and usually has maybe 3 or 4 slices left over for somebody to have a meatloaf sandwich. Now I'm talking about me. I love meatloaf sandwiches. Ah yes, here we go. I'll show you the sauce that I put on at the end. But wait till you see what I do with the bacon. As you can tell, it's starting to mix real good. See? It's all coming. Whoa. It's all coming together, and it comes off the sides. There, you don't see any crumbs anywhere, but that's the kind of texture you want it to have. Alright. me set this back up here. My hands are gooey, so be right back. Ah! Cat muff went. Oh my God, big blooper. Cat muff went into the meatloaf. Okay, that's that dead cat thing up here. All right, hold on. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make a lattice. If you're not sure what a lattice is, a weave of bacon. Okay. So you lay them out like this. Whoops, hold on. All together. I do the size of the cutting board. It'll always be 6 across this way, 6 or 7 across this way, but it might be 8 or 9 down this way. See, because as long as it fits. One more. Then, now every other one, start from the side here. Here, hold on, let me get this way. Start from the side here, and hold your finger, put this one. Every other one, do the same spot. And you'll see why in 1 second. Do you remember ever doing those looms when you were a kid? It's very similar. Okay, then again, every other one, you bring the one back, one over. One back, one over, one back. Then you do the next slice. I do it real fast this way. Oops. Show you what it looked like here in 1 second. It'll be like 4 coming across. There we go. There's that. Put the last one on this side, and then you just flip that one over here, 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 and here. Can you see how it's doing it so far? And probably 3 will finish on this side. Here we go. Yeah, be just enough room for one more on this side. Because this bacon, for some reason, is a little bit thicker. Alright, this is what it looks like. Now, I'm going to be making 2 bacon wrapped meatloaves. You'll see. Out of this bacon, okay, yes, my hands are clean. I am going to make 2 meatloaves. Get that together really good. Split it in half. Put this one and put this one in here. Okay, you're going to pull up one corner. Get the stragglers. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. Get them stuck up here. Take the next corner. Here, let me see if you can see it better this way. Take the next corner, grab it, pull it up. Take the next corner, pull it up. Next corner, put it up. Now you can see it's all wrapped pretty much all the way around. And you're thinking, okay, how's this going to go in the pan without it all falling apart? That's the secret. Hold on. Let me move this around. Yeah, gotta wash my hands. just using your head. Shut the cupboard door with it. Alright. Here's the pan. Put this in it. Just kind of scoot this over a little bit. Pick this up. Roll it in. That's that one, all in there. Do it at a diagonal for both of them. It makes it easier to stay in, and it gives it time to easy way to cook all the way around the edges here. All right, I'll be right back after I get the next one done, and I'll show you what I do with the bacon. Okay, the next two ingredients: brown sugar and cayenne pepper. You see it? Here, there we go. Get the brown sugar, spread it all over the top. I do about 2 handfuls, one on each. And then, come on now. Don't be shy on that cayenne pepper. Everybody thinks, oh, that's going to make it too spicy. No, actually it does not. Now, so you'll feel the kick. You may feel a little heat, but you're not going to be burning your mouth. There we go. Now we pop it in the oven at 375 for approximately about an hour and a half. Of course, you cover it first. I would say the first hour, you cover it, let it cook. Then you pull it out, you drain the juice out. Now, so the last half hour, you turn it up to 400 and you put it in so the bacon get nice and crisp on the top. Alright, see when it's done. Well, this is what it looks like when it's done. Yes, I did cut into it because I wanted to make sure it was done. But it looks so delicious. Alright, there we go. You all have a great day. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and click on that bell for notifications. I want to thank all my subscribers and new subscribers for supporting this channel. You all have a great and wonderful day. Peace out.